Young People at a Crossroads is a research project that ran from 2021 to 2023. It was funded by the UK Economic and Social Research Council. In recent years, you may have heard people saying humanity is at a crossroads when they are talking about climate change. They are usually saying this to try and get people, and particularly people in power, to take action. We wanted to explore with young people what it feels like to be growing up at such an urgent time. Climate change is already becoming a major driver of global migration. People who migrate across countries have to navigate crossroads of their own, and we wanted to hear about their experiences. The project book shares stories and ideas about climate change education, climate change action, and climate change adaptation. Let's hear from Rebecca, a young researcher from Manchester whose father, Edward, is from Nigeria.
From my dad recounting memories of lessons being taught under a tree and learning about being content in life, I was able to see that the key is in learning and passing on lessons about the environment and sustainability. It is important to teach both younger and older generations about the environment and climate change, as well as actively implementing strategies to help the environment. My dad said,
"Back then, there was a conscious effort to preserve the environment, and this was displayed in the range and variety of flowers on display."
The cover of the book brings together things that families told us about their lives in the places that they lived, including the positive changes they've been a part of, tree planting, protests and beach cleans, and the concerns they have about issues such as fossil fuels, landfill waste and polluting transport. The winding road across the cover shows there is no single one-way path towards a more environmentally sustainable and livable future, but in fact we are all in this together and all have a part to play.